Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money with Clickbank fast. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews to let you know which products are legitimate, which ones are not. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's talk about how can we make money online with Clickbank and make it fast? First thing is you want to have a lead capture page. So you don't want to drive traffic right to your affiliate sales page, the affiliate link in Clickbank, because you're going to be wasting money, first of all, and time. You want to capture their email address, and that way you can market to them this product down the road with your email follow-up series. A lot of times people don't buy on the first exposure. They need to be exposed to it maybe at least 7 times. But also you can market related products. So if you're doing something in the health and fitness area and it's a weight loss product, then you could market to them something like a supplement or something like that from Amazon down the road. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of a lead capture page that I created in Clickfunnels. And you want to have it be curiosity based, because in order for them to put in their email address, they really want to have it. They have to know, like, what is this? So an example, this is Profit Injector. It's a Clickbank product. How to start earning $100 to $300 per day legally stealing YouTube videos. So this product is about finding people who have YouTube videos with a lot of views and they don't have anything in the description monetizing it, and how you form a JV partnership with them so you can put your affiliate link in their videos. So I created this lead capture page because it creates curiosity, because you're wondering, like, how do you legally steal YouTube videos? No experience required. So this is an example of a lead capture page. And then this is super important to have a bridge page, and that is a page where you're bridging between the customer and the product. So I just did this whiteboard here. Of course, you got the traffic going here, you've got your lead capture page. So the bridge page is between your lead capture page and the Clickbank sales page. And the reason why that's so important is because you can tell your story, because people don't know you and they don't necessarily trust you. So you're going to tell your story, and 2 great things are if you do a testimonial or a case study. So the best case scenario is if you get a product here, like if you go to Clickbank and you search health and fitness, they're sorted by popularity. So the most popular is Fat Belly Fix, and then you got Lean Belly Breakthrough. So let's say you were going to promote Organifi, which is a really high selling product, and you were going to do like a case study that before and after you used Organifi, or just some sort of testimonial, what it did for you. So that's what you put on your bridge page. You want it to be in a video, and you want to have a headline hook. So how I lost X amount of pounds in X amount of days with this product, or something like that. And then this is super important. I learned this from Russell Brunson. If you give bonuses, it's going to help people to purchase the product. So he gave an example of, he was selling some sort of supplement, and he was selling the bottle for $67. Other people were selling it for $19 on Amazon, but he sold so many more because he offered all these bonuses that went along with that. Something having to do with a fitness tracker. If it's in weight loss, you could do something like offer meal planning and things along those lines that have to do with it, but you can offer like tons of bonuses that go with it. So it's just like this irresistible offer that they cannot refuse, because you're giving them so much value in addition to the product that you're selling. And then the way that you can get this to them is you tell them that after they purchase, they'll just send you their receipt to your email address, and then you'll get the bonuses to them right away. So that's how you can do that, and it's super powerful because it really helps you to sell a lot more product. And then, of course, the last thing is that you'll have your Clickbank sales page as the last part of this here. Okay, and then traffic, I'm not going to go into that in this video, but I'm going to post some videos below here in the description for both paid and free traffic methods. Of course, the fastest way is with solo ads, and I have a couple videos on that, how to pick the best. There's a lot of things that you need to know about solo ads so you don't waste a lot of money. And I'm going to leave those videos in the description. And then, of course, there's paid traffic methods. Twitter is something really good. I have a video on that, especially for weight loss. And then there's Quora, which is a forum. You can go in and answer questions and drive traffic back to your affiliate offer, which I would recommend be on like a blog post. And then, of course, you'd have a link to your lead capture page that would go to your bridge page, and you would capture their email address. And I have some videos on how to set up your lead capture page in Clickfunnels and how to connect that with Aweber, how to set up an email follow-up series. I'm going to leave all those videos in the description below here so you can check those out, but I didn't want this video to be too long. So the most important thing I think to get out of this is make sure you have a bridge page, because that's going to establish trust with your customer. And then again, the irresistible offer, they're just like, they have to have it. Sometimes they buy something just to get the bonuses, so because they're so irresistible. So that's really super important. So I hope you guys got value on how to make money with Clickbank fast. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Also, if you want to learn more about these topics, make sure you click the subscribe button. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, something that's allowing me to make $1,000 days, and that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mayo signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.